What's the meaning of concentrate? Concentrate. Concentrate.
Concentrate. Concentrate. To concentrate means to focus all of one's attention, energy, and efforts on a single task or objective. When someone concentrates, they block out distractions and prioritize the task at hand. This intense focus often leads to increased productivity and a greater ability to achieve goals. However, it can also be mentally exhausting and difficult to maintain for extended periods of time. Overall, concentration is a valuable skill that can lead to success in many areas of life, from academics and work to sports and personal hobbies.